Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Doggy Darwinism. After attending her astronomy class, Shadow had a question about the 5 brightest stars and star systems visible from Earth. And no, the sun will not be on this list because it isn't in the night sky. Before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more. Without further ado, let's get started. In 5th place, we have the star VEGA. VEGA has a luminosity of 50 times that of the Sun. It is also the brightest star in the constellation Lyra. VEGA is 25 light-years away from the Sun and is the second brightest star in the northern sky. It will also change its position in the sky to the North Star by the year 13,727 AD. VEGA is 1/10 of the age of the Sun and is 2.1 times as massive. Due to its size, its life expectancy is 1/10 of the Sun's. Both VEGA and our Sun are reaching the midpoint of their lives. VEGA rotates rapidly at 236 kilometers per hour, or 12.5 hours per full rotation. This causes a centrifugal force that makes VEGA bulge at the center. In 4th place, we have ARCTURUS. ARCTURUS is the brightest star in the constellation Buddhas and is 36.7 light-years away from the Sun. It is also the brightest star in the northern sky and has a luminosity of 170 times that of the Sun. ARCTURUS is an aging red giant at 7.1 billion years old. In 3rd place, we have Alpha Centauri. Alpha Centauri is a star system 4.37 light-years away from the Sun. It is a triple star system that has Centauri A, Centauri B, and Centauri C. If you think those are bland names, wait until you read about the Kepler planets. Centauri A is also known as Rigel Kentaurus. Centauri B is also known as Ptolemy, and Centauri C is also known as Proxima Centauri. Centauri A is 1.1 times as massive as the Sun and 1.52 times as luminous. Centauri B is smaller than the Sun at 0.91 times as massive and 0.45 times as luminous. Centauri C is a red dwarf star that is 4.24 light-years away from the Sun. This makes the dwarf star the closest star to the Sun. Centauri C is 0.21 light-years away from Centauri A and B. Centauri C also has an exoplanet named Proxima Centauri B, orbiting it in the habitable zone. These stars rate so high on the list together because of how close they are to the Sun and because the 3 of them are clustered together. In 2nd place, we have the star Canopus. Canopus is located in the constellation Carina and is 310 light-years away from the Sun. Canopus is a bright giant that makes it white when seen with the naked eye. It has a luminosity of 10,000 times that of the Sun. It is 8 times as massive as the Sun, and its radius is 71 times that of the Sun. Canopus is going through core helium burning and has already passed the red giant branch. Finally, in the 1st place, we have the Sirius binary star system, because it's so serious about getting first. Ha, ha, ha. Yeah, okay, never mind. Sirius A is a star of spectral type A0 or A1. It has another white dwarf companion that orbits it every 50 years. The star system is about 250 million years old, which makes it pretty young in terms of the cosmic scale. The star system is 25 times more luminous than the Sun, but isn't as bright as other stars like Rigel. The reason that the system is 1st place on this list is because it's only 8.2 light-years away from the Sun, and makes it appear much brighter than other stars in the Earth's perspective. It also makes it one of the Sun's closest neighbors. The system will go closer and closer to the solar system for the next 60,000 years, but after that point, it will go farther and farther away. It will still remain the brightest star system in the night sky for over 200,000 more years though. Well guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and I hope you learned something new. Stay tuned for more. Bye.